so that the fish will not be touching the bottom of the pressure cooker directly. Just want to make sure that my fish will not go down. I can't find my other thing that I use for this. I'm gonna put this here. That's pepper, that's spicy, that came from my garden. The carrots. The bay leaves. A cup of olive oil. Tomato sauce. I fill the can with water. Since I already have that at the bottom, I can put my fish there. This and this too. I'm gonna put more water. I don't know how much, but what I always do is just fill it up till the fish is covered. This is salt, peppercorn. Don't break it. Now it's ready. Cover. Make sure you have the rubber gasket. Ready to start. I set my stove on high. Pressure has built up. So I set it for 50 minutes. The sardines is done.